This time, Veronica and I will be sailing along the beautiful Majestic Princess. We're headed north, bound towards San Francisco. Along the way, we will enjoy fine dining, beautiful service, an incredible ship, and incredible locations, visiting ports of San Francisco, San Diego, and Ensenada. I hope you enjoy this video and you come along with us and enjoy the sights and sounds as Veronica and I are on the quest to find our adventure.